High fives to everybody. High five. Bam. That was a good one. Thanks for being here, y'all. Today is gonna be the day when they're gonna throw it back to you. Can I get a drum roll, please? Play some drums on your belly right now. And that's why it's called Super Chat. We're gonna have a bunch of things on our chat that make us smile. That's what makes you awesome and amazing, is that you're like no other person in the world. You are a rock star. Your smile is contagious. Go get a stuffed animal. Big deal today. It is National Camp T-Shirt Day. And now it is time for our open mic talent show. Special guests are here.
Are you ready for your first student performer?
Are you ready for your first act of the night, ladies and gentlemen?
Can I get a what for the next group? What?
Please welcome to the stage. Some of the sing blues. Oh, the movie never ends. It goes on and on and on and on. You're awesome. Take it away.
Oh, thanks, Jason.
High fives all around. Thank you very much for a wonderful night.